Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. So this little kitty's hiding in a paper bag, like lots of kitties like to do. So I'm focusing on the cat's head first, and then I'll move on to putting that bag over top. Nice little smirk. I want that real wide-eyed look. Kind of mischievous look. Just pop that kitty into a bag. And this is that tail. The tail looks really big because it's coming forward, so the perspective is making it look bigger. We can see a suggestion of paws in there too. Not used to drawing bags so much as cats. I've drawn lots of boxes and bags in the past, but haven't focused on that kind of thing for a while. But I thought it'd be cool to do some cats in different situations. And cats love boxes and bags. Yeah, I fixed up that smirk a little bit. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live or your life or whatever. Help us build this community of crazy cat artists. Just suggestions of toes there. Really playing up the eyes here to help that wide-eyed look. And there's one of the straps for the bag. The other one's kind of closer to us, so it looks bigger, like the tail looks bigger. I don't know why it's moving around. I guess my phone was moving when I was recording. It does weird things like that sometimes. I fussed with that mouth quite a bit. It just didn't look right, so I mucked around with it until I was happy with it. And I am going 4 times the speed and voicing over now, and I'm going to be speeding up to 8 times the speed here pretty quick. And here we go. Finish this drawing up. Put a bit of shading in here, just to add to the in the bag look. And of course, this is a quick sketch. Lots of learning involved in these quick sketches. And if I were to use it for a so-called finished piece of art, as soon as you put the pencil down and don't intend to take it back up again, it's finished, I guess. But if you want to do a more polished one, I would carry this knowledge forward. And when I went to do the new drawing for the next one, I would be well practiced already. And you know what they say about practice. Even though there is no such thing as perfection in the arts, or I don't know if anywhere for that matter. That's how I see it anyhow. I like that hidey look on the kitty's face. Some whiskers in there. Choose your angles. If turning the paper helps, just do it. Do what works for you. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. Thank you so much for watching today. We'll see you next time.